Hi everyone, I'm Sana and welcome back to the Sublime Life YouTube channel and to our Martiderm series. Today we are going to be talking about another one of our popular and best-selling Martiderm products. If you're looking for an addition to your PM routine, we've met your match. The Martiderm Night Renew Ampoules are here. They are a perfect, gentle, exfoliating treatment that help to renew, regenerate and repair your skin while you get your beauty sleep. So today we are going to deep dive to understand these Martiderm Night Renew Ampoules, understand what ingredients do they have, who are they suitable for and how can you use it. Now first let's talk about its ingredients. It's packed with 10% AHA such as the glycolic acid, lactic acid, malic acid and more, which help to mildly peel your skin to reveal the more radiant skin underneath. Next, it has hyaluronic acid, which you know is a great skin plumping ingredient. It is one of the most powerful humectants that help to hold the moisture in your skin. Another popular ingredient that we keep hearing about all the time is collagen. Now these Night Renew Ampoules have 5% marine collagen, which help to make your skin firmer and are a foolproof way to help you reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. Also, these ampoules can be a complete game changer in your routine for the simple reason that they act as a booster for other treatments. Now what does this mean? It means that they help improve the penetrability of your other treatments and can actually boost the power of the products that you use. Now let's talk about who is it suitable for. Now this product is suitable for all skin types. Yes, you heard it right. It's suitable for all skin types including mature skin, acne prone skin, as it helps to gently exfoliate your skin and let newer skin resurface. Also, this product is suitable for men, especially for ones who are looking to repair their skin and for some moisturization overnight. Now let's understand how often to use them. You can use it every day in your PM routine and make sure you're using it on a well cleansed and toned face and follow up with a moisturizer to see the magic the next day. Also next day, make sure you're using a sunscreen to avoid any sensitivity and to protect your newly repaired skin. So these ampoules come in a packet of 5, 10 and they also come in a packet of 30. If you want to understand how to open them and apply them, we have a video on that and we'll be linking it up. So do watch that. Also comment, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.